I've taken Thundercracker's wings and just put a ton of masking tape on it because I don't know how much the gun's going to be off by. That way I can go ahead and spray these wings. Oh man, I gotta tell you, putting masking tape on stuff is just not the most fun you can have. It's interesting how, let's see. Great. Looks like I might have to put a little bit more masking tape on it anyway. So this side's correct. This side needs just a way a little paste on it. I don't even remember what, this one? There you go. I hope that's correct. Today I've been putting masking tape on a whole bunch of models, so it's not the most exciting thing to do. When it comes to building models, I have the most fun actually building. I know a lot of people like the painting aspect. I like the building. This guy is superposable. He's definitely it's a really cool thing. I mean, I hit him with a little bit of a gloss coat, not a gloss coat, but a clear coat, which will just inherently make him a little bit glossy, so he's not flat. It looks, I mean, it's pretty awesome. Superposable. I mean, even the waist. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Okay, so let's put a stripe on your... Okay. Move you over here. You're safe. Once more with the Game Air Silver. I was really pleased to the purple stripe that you cannot see. And after this dries, I'm going to go ahead and there's a, well, I hope there's a deep, you know, there's an emblem right there, a little Decepticon emblem. And I'm going to highlight that purple as well. You're going to use a little makeup trick. I guess it's a makeup trick. I don't know. It involves using a sponge, right? A makeup sponge. Oh. Anyway, don't really need too much. Hmm. That should be enough. Just 4 stripes. Yeah, see, like, I didn't want to chance it with this. So here we go. Silver goes on strong. Go ahead and, you know, poke it into the box there. That way it can have an isolated surface to dry on. I've worked on the YF-19 today, masking and painting. The VE-11, masking and painting. And now this. It's Seeker Day. The Lens Seeker, I don't know. It's masking and painting day. Oh, these are the little feet wings or whatever. And they didn't actually have a decal for that, but I just thought it'd be cool to do it anyway. Keep some uniform to it. Man, that silver goes on strong. I dropped that on top of a black and they just overrode it. Nice and opaque. Sorry. Okay, I am done. Oh gosh. Bring this guy back. Unplug you. Go ahead and take your tip off. And I don't know how much we're going to have to clean it, but clean this out real quick. And then go clean the gun itself. No big deal. Good enough. Oh, I keep giving myself a paint manicure that I don't think anyone. Oh, whatever. Whatever. Forget it, man. Forget it. Yeah, I figured out today that I'm going a little bit too hard on these guys because I do not like the masking. That's not fun. Man, I've used up a ton of masking tape today. I mean, I have another pack. It's still just like, oh my god, I've eaten it up today. That's okay. Got all the hard stuff done. I have noticed, on a side note, this was a lot more fun to build than the Macross models. I guess Gundams are just more exciting to build in general. I mean, this isn't a Gundam, but it's still got the same, you know, basic build design. You know, build your legs, build your arms, kind of deal, and hook it all together. And it's super posable. I think they did a great job with that. And there's very little of it that you actually have to glue together. It's pretty awesome. I think this is one of the pieces that I should glue on. However, until I'm done modifying it, I'll just let it sit. Yeah, Thundercracker's awesome. Thundercracker. Skywarp. Jeez. Brain's toast from all this building. It's a really cool toy. Model. Whatever. Posable thing to sit on your desk. You want to buy me, or I'll destroy you. This man's playing with toys. Go clean your paint gun. Do it now. Alright. Okay. Let me just stop this video before anything terribly dumb happens. Too much fun.